Just a regular January morning, 9 a.m., and you on your daily routine carpooling to school. Nothing special except you are in a tiny Chevrolet Bolt, which is a magnet for all kinds of people with a superiority complex. Yet suddenly there is an unhappy driver that thinks we're too slow. Sad truth about small, humble, affordable cars. They attract nonstop bullying. Opposite side of efficiency and affordability, what happens virtually every day? Tailgating, cutting off, or even open unprovoked aggression, as in this video. Whatever triggered this, we apologize, but frankly, he rather looks like a seasoned criminal who wants to teach unexpecting citizens a lesson.
I'm going to give you a car too, mate. You're all on camera, buddy. It's all on camera, mate. It's all on camera. You're coming out with a fucking bomb. You do that. Going down the wrong one-way and a one-way road now, look. Going the wrong way down a one-way road. Look at that. Going the wrong way down a one-way road. Opposite way against the traffic. With a two-stroke, a couple guaranteed to make you laugh jokes. I got friends in low places. There he goes. Nobody gonna need it in my car. No, you smashed the window of the mirror on my car. Go down in history, but I'll go down. Now he's taking off.
What was that? Maybe. How about you calm down?
No!
Calm
Calm
down!
What?
Calm down! calm.
Stop it. Get your ass as old as I am right now.
What's wrong with you? Why are you so
You're
angry?
an idiot.
Why are you so angry?
Stop for lights, and I'm gonna come in and fat rash in the back of you.
Did you notice the snow and the ice?
Yeah, that's why you don't get you goddamn dumb bastard.
Why are you being...
You stupid. Stop right
Thanks.
away.
Thanks. You make life so nice. People like
So do
you.
you. Stop.
Why
I'm
did you
gonna call
honk?
the rest.
Why don't you
Why didn't you go
be
on?
patient? Why don't you be
Why didn't you
patient?
go on, stupid?
Why don't you be patient and be kind to people? Maybe the world would be
you know I'm
maybe
not?
the world would be a nicer place
Maybe
if
if
all like you actually helped to make the world a better place. And a generation for me,
Probably voted for Joe Biden, didn't you?
Kamala Harris actually. Joe
Yeah,
Biden.
Kamala
Joe
Harris.
Biden wasn't in the
The
election,
most
idiot.
idiotic person that makes sense. You're an idiot. Cheese.
What hell?
White truck?
No, the blue car.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Okay.